Edelweiss Technology Fund NFO. Will this NFO play a crucial part in your investment portfolio to accomplish your investment goals? Let's find out by doing a detailed analysis in this video. This Edelweiss Technology Fund NFO is open till 28th Feb 2024. Now let's start by analyzing some of its key features. It comes under technology category. It's an open-ended fund type. It uses S&P BSE Tech TRI as its benchmark. The minimum amount for investment is Rs 100. The fund manager here is Reddy Bhattacharya, Sahil Shah and Amrit Vora. Exit load charges are applicable. If investor redeems before 3 months, 1% exit load will be charged. Moving on, let's discuss about the Edelweiss Technology Fund NFO investment philosophy and investment objective. Investment philosophy. It aims to invest in opportunities across technology team. Investment opportunities. It aims to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related securities of technology and technology-related companies. Now next, let's verify the suitability of this NFO. It seeks to provide long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related securities of technology and technology-related companies. This scheme is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish on technology team futuristic performance. So what are the pros of investing in an Edelweiss Technology Fund NFO? This fund is diversified among top performing companies in the technology team. Investors seeking for allocation in the technology team can invest in this fund. If technology team performs well, then it has the potential to generate even inflation beating returns, as it is a high risk, high return policy. It is suitable for aggressive investors who are more bullish on technology team futuristic performance. Just like knowing the pros of investing, you should also be aware of the cons of investing as well before making an investment decision. It is riskier for short-term investors. This fund is not suitable for your core portfolio. Not all great teams translate into stock market returns. You may at times give overexposure to your portfolio, which again can lead to negative triggers as well. Not flexible and dynamic when compared to diversified funds. Can add more volatility to your portfolio. It has a high concentration risk, and suppose if the technology team underperforms, then at times as an investor you may receive no returns and also low returns as well, which again is not beneficial for your financial goals. While choosing this sort of NFO, your timing and circle of competence should be on the higher side. So it is always advisable to consult a financial planner before investing in NFOs. So far we have covered all the important details of this Edelweiss Technology Fund NFO. Now it's time for the final takeaway. Should you as an investor look to invest in this NFO or avoid this NFO? If you are a first time investor or a conservative investor, you should look to avoid this NFO. If you are looking to invest in technology sector, there are existing technology thematic funds available in the market which has a good track record. If you choose the best among them, it will be more than beneficial for your financial goals. And it is not suitable for your core portfolio as well. If you don't know when to enter or exit technology team, then it's advisable to avoid this NFO. But still, consulting a financial planner will be beneficial before you make an investment decision, as he'll be able to verify the investment objective, risk profile. Suppose if you have already invested in these funds earlier, then he'll not recommend this fund for you, because if you have a high overlap ratio, the chances of you generating inflation beating returns becomes lesser. Even if this NFO be an ideal suit to your investment portfolio, he'll be able to tell you how much should you ideally allocate to achieve your financial goals. So it is always beneficial for you to consult a financial planner before making any critical investment decision. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.